is Suman and welcome back to my universe. So today we are gonna talk about makeup products under rupees 300. So yeah guys, पिछली वीडियो में हम लोगों ने बात की थी स्किन के प्रोडक्ट्स अंडर रुपीज़ 300, बट इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोना डू मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर बिगनर्स, जो लोग स्कूल कॉलेजेस में हैं, जो लोग कॉलेजेस न्यू ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं एंड दे वांट थोड़ा यू नो लुक्स अच्छा दिखे, अच्छी प्रेजेंटेबल लगे. सो उनके लिए हैव गॉट दिस थिंग. सो अंडर 300 रुपीज़. So let's get started with our video. Let's go. So yeah, before jumping into the video, I wanna talk about this makeup look right here. This is like a smoky eye look, and today I have tried with a black eyeshadow. So this makeup look अगर आप लोगों को जाननी है तो उसके लिए आप लोगों को मुझे फॉलो करना होगा इंस्टाग्राम पे, जहाँ पे IGTV वीडियोस पे मैंने शेयर किया है ये लुक को. सो गो फॉलो मी देयर एंड फॉर द लिंक्स विल बी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. सो प्लीज़ जाइए एंड मुझे फॉलो कीजिए इंस्टाग्राम पे. सो या गाइज, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो द वेरी फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इन अ मेकअप वैनिटी और इन अ किट शुड बी अ प्राइमर, बिकॉज प्राइमर इज़ समथिंग जो आपके मेकअप को लॉन्ग लास्टिंग बनाता है, सेट रखता है, स्वेट प्रूफ बनाता है, स्मज आउट नहीं करने देता है, हमारे मेकअप को केकी होने से रोकता है फाउंडेशन को. सो प्राइमर हैज़ लॉट्स ऑफ गुड थिंग्स टू डू एंड प्राइमर का यही काम है करना. सो आई हैव अ रिकमेंडेशन फॉर यू ऑल अंडर रुपीज़ 300. आई थिंक आप लोगों ने गेस कर लिया है. या दैट्स राइट, दिस इज़ ब्लू हेवन का प्राइमर. येस, एंड दिस इज़ रियली गुड. मुझे नहीं पता था कि 300 रुपीज़ में इतना अच्छा प्राइमर मिल सकता है, बट देन या इट इज़ गुड. सो या दिस प्राइमर इज़ रियली गुड. आई हैव यूज दिस प्राइमर अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम एंड मुझे कोई ऐसी शिकायत नहीं हुई है इस प्राइमर से, जबकि आई हैव एन कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन. टी जोन एरिया इज़ रियली ऑयली, but then it has helped me to lock my makeup so many times. And yeah, this is oil free, greasy free, and सच में ये आपका बेस बहुत अच्छे से लॉक करता है इस प्राइमर से. So I will really recommend you all girls out there who has a limited budget, you should go with this primer. Okay, so this Blue Heaven one is for rupees 300 and on Nykaa you will get it in discount for like 250 or 280 something. Yeah, so this is for. Okay, so after applying your primers, please let your face set for 30 seconds at least, so that it absorbs into your skin and fill up your large pores or something like that. So give 30 seconds for it, like I give 30 seconds. तो उसी बीच में what I like to do, I like to fill up my eyebrows, ताकि वो जब तक प्राइमर जो है सेट हो रहा है, आई लाइक टू फिल अप माई आईब्रोज. एंड फॉर द आईब्रोज आई हैव अ रिकमेंडेशन फॉर यू गाइज. आई होप आप लोगों ने इसे गेस कर लिया होगा, जो मैं अपने हर वीडियो पे यूज़ करती हूँ. दिस इज़ मिस क्ले का आईब्रो पेंसिल. दिस इज़ रियली चीप. आई गेस दिस इज़ फॉर 125 और समथिंग, एंड ये बहुत अच्छा वर्क करता है. इट्स लाइक जस्ट इफ़ यू आर इन अ हरी, इफ़ यू नीड टू गो टू योर कॉलेज और स्कूल और बस सिर्फ आईब्रोज करके जाना है, जस्ट डू just like this and you're good to go, trust me. And it comes with a spoolie as well, and I am in the shade number 2 dark brown. So spoolie के साथ आता है ये, बहुत अच्छे से आपके eyebrows को comb करता है. And then the pencil is really good, it's really long lasting, I must tell you, so go for it. Yeah, so for the foundation I have a recommendation for you all. This is Maybelline का Fit Me foundation. You guys know how much I love this foundation as well, but then I don't like heavy foundation on daily basis. That's why आप लोगों को ये उतना दिखने नहीं मिलता होगा मेरे वीडियोस में, but then I really like this foundation. This is matte. It doesn't gives me any shiny thing on my face, and it is for normal to oily skin girls out there. एंड बहुत अच्छा इसका कवरेज है. कंसीलर आई हैव, यू मस्ट हैव गेस्ड इट राइट, आई नो, दिस इज़ स्विस ब्यूटी का लिक्विड कंसीलर. दिस इज़ अंडर रुपीज़ 200. आई मीन दिस इज़ ओनली फॉर 199 एंड कम्स अंडर रुपीज़ 300. एंड दिस इज़, ओ माई गॉड, सच अ ब्यूटिफुल कंसीलर. दिस प्रोवाइड्स यू the highest coverage. I can tell you guys, this gives you the highest coverage, so it really conceal your dark circles, your pigmentations. This is really good. I never believed that it gonna give me such a good coverage, but then yes, it gives, and that's why I've kept this in this 300. I don't think any other concealer is there under rupees 300, but then this is I got, and this is such a baby. I mean, this is travel friendly. You just need this and you're good to go. You don't even need all those things which I showed you previously. So yeah, this is a very good product, and this is lightweight as well. It doesn't creases much. If you set it with a powder, it won't crease. So I really like it. So that's why I'm recommending you all girls out there, go for it. या अब कंसीलर यूज़ की है तो उसे सेट तो करना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज़ क्रीजिंग हो जाएगी आँखों के नीचे अंडर आइज़ पे. तो क्रीजिंग स्टॉप करने के लिए आई हैव अ रिकमेंडेशन फॉर यू ऑल इज़ लैक्मी का रोज़ पाउडर. दिस इज़ रियली अफोर्डेबल. दिस इज़ फॉर ₹160 आई गेस, एंड इट वर्क्स एग्जैक्टली लाइक Maybelline Fit Me का loose powder which I show in every video, but then this works exactly like that. So you can go with this. Lightweight, it doesn't crease your under eyes, plus it sets your face really well. Whatever concealer you have used, it gonna set it very well. Plus it comes with the sunscreen, which another product I have guys for you all. This is Lakme ka compact powder. So yeah, if anybody wants to use compacts, you can go with this. This is also really affordable. This is for 180 rupees, and I am in the shade let me open it. I guess I am in the shade Ivory Fair 01. So yeah, this is also really nice shade it has. So yeah, this is also really lightweight, and this also means set your under dark circles, your under eyes, your concealer really well. So for all the college going girls and all who is beginners in this makeup, so you can go with this. Yeah, so for the blush, I have a recommendation for you all. This is Essence का blush. This is in the shade Baby Doll. You know how much I love this blush. आपको बहुत सारे videos में यही blush देखने को मिला है, and you can see how much I have used it. I have heated the pan as well, so I really like this blush. This gives you the inner kind of a blush which feels like that you are glowing from within. So that kind of a blush it gives. So I really like it. And this is also for ₹125 or 150 if I am not wrong. I'll provide you the link in the description box below. Please don't forget to check it out, and you will get the MRP also on those links, so please check it out once. And yeah, this is it. And for the face makeup, the very last product with me, I have a highlighter. This highlighter is from Sivana Colors. This is a brick highlighter palette, Shimmer Bricks, and it has really beautiful shades. It has, I'll show you guys. So yeah, it has really beautiful shades. I mean pink, silver, golden, it has all the shades, and this is also under ₹300, and this is cost for if I'm not wrong, this is for ₹250 if I'm not wrong. I'll provide you the link as well. So I'll give few swatches of this. So the silver one, it's not actually silver. This shows up a golden, very beautiful highlight. I'll just show you guys. This one is a pink one, and this is golden. So yeah, it has really beautiful shades to die for. So this is the only one highlighter which I found it below 300 or under 300. If you have any highlighter below 300, then please recommend it to me guys. I have only this one. I have not seen any other highlighter below 300. If you know any, then please let me know. Comment down below and let me know guys. So after face, now let's move on to our eye makeup. So for the eyeshadow makeup, I have one recommendation for you all. This is Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette. I think you have seen me using this palette, and the brown shade ka to I have heated the pan. I love that shade so much. Like what I used to do, I just go with the BB cream, concealer, compact, and then only just this brown eyeshadow on my crease, and I'm good to go anyway. So normally when I used to go for the shopping or some normal bahar aise jana, I used to do this trick only. That's why I have heated the pan. So this also has really beautiful shades in it. सारे न्यूड शेड्स है, पिंक है, ऑरेंज है, ब्राउन है, और 2 ग्लिटर शेड है विच हैज़ पीची ऑरेंज एंड पिंक. डार्क पिंक इज़ रियली ब्यूटिफुल गाइज, रियली ब्यूटिफुल. सो ये शेड मुझे कलर इस शेड्स के बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद थे. न्यूड्स थे तो आई रियली लाइक न्यूड think, so I chose this one. This is 06, number 06. I'll just show you some swatches. पिंक जो ग्लिटर शेड है मैं उसका स्वॉच आप लोगों को दिखा रही हूँ. Yeah, this is the glitter shade swatches. So this is rupees for 200 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this is for 200. So go check it out. All the links will be in the description box. आपको इनमें से कुछ भी चाहिए होगा, you can go with it. Now coming to the eyeliner, I have 2 recommendation for you all. First one is Maybelline Colossal का eyeliner. This is really beautiful bold eyeliner. आई रियली लाइक इट क्योंकि इसका फिनिश बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छे से मैट फिनिश देता है ये. सो आई लाइक इट एंड दिस इज़ अंडर रुपीज़ 200 और 250 समथिंग अराउंड लाइक दैट. सो दिस ऑल्सो कम्स अंडर 300. आई लाइनर फॉर 300 इज़ लाइक वे टू मच, बट देन दिस इज़ फाइन. दिस इज़ रियली वर्दी, सो आई वुड नॉट mind giving it, but this also comes around 200 or 250. So it's a good one. I mean I really like it. And ये eyeliner छोटा है but then बहुत अच्छा इसका wand जो है वो बहुत अच्छा है. I'll show you guys. इतना thin tip है, wing बहुत अच्छे से create करता है ये. So I really like this one. You guys also check it out. Another eyeliner जो I think सबके घरों में है, सबकी मम्मी के पास होते हैं, सबके पास होते हैं. I'm talking about Lakme का Insta eyeliner. This is only for rupees 99 or 120 I guess now. तो ये पहले 99 में आता था I guess. So अभी 120 रुपीज़ हो चुका है. एंड ये सबके घर में अवेलेबल तो होते ही हैं जहाँ तक I know. And this is water resistant as well. So yeah, this is also really good eyeliner. I must recommend you all कि इसका भी nip, इसका wand is really thin and बहुत अच्छे से ये भी wing create करता है. So yeah, so I have this 2 recommendation for you all. Now coming back to kajal. Kajal is really important. I am a kajal person. I like wearing kajal, but बहुत कोई है जिनको kajal पसंद नहीं है, but that's okay. अपनी अपनी choices है सबकी. So yeah, for the kajal I have a recommendation. Firstly, this is Magnet Eye from Faces Canada. This is for rupees 199 if I am not wrong. No, this is for only rupees 179 and discount में रहा तो you'll get it for 150 for sure. So this kajal is really black, jet black, and yeah, I really like it. ये waterproof है, smudge proof है, बहुत अच्छे से आपके eye water line पे apply हो जाता है. So that's why I'm recommending you this, and this is under rupees 200. So it's a good deal. Another one I have for you all. This is Nykaa IM 24/7 Kajal. This is also really beautiful. I mean this is really dry. I mean अगर आप इसे use करते हो, can you see this one? इससे ज़्यादा dark है ये. I'll do one more. Yeah. So this kajal is also really affordable. This is I guess for I forgot. हमेशा मैं प्राइस भूल जाती हूँ. So yeah, this is also for rupees 200 and around 250. This is obviously ये 200-300 के अंदर है तभी I am showing you all, but then I have forgotten the price. So this is also around rupees 250. You will get it in discount for rupees 180 or 190 something around like that. So I really like this kajal as well क्योंकि ये smudge proof है, water resistance है, जल्दी smudge नहीं करता है. So kajal जो टिका रहे, long lasting रहे, वही हम apply करना पसंद करते हैं. So a big thumbs up to this from my side. So after kajal, now it's time for the mascara. The girls out there like me who doesn't know how to apply falsies, and falsies हमेशा कौन apply करता है यार, शादी function हो गए तभी तो falsies apply किया जाता है, but normal regular basis पे हमें mascara ही चाहिए. So for the mascara I have Faces Canada का Magnet Eye Mascara. This is also really beautiful. I mean I have applied it this one today and बहुत अच्छा dramatic voluminize करता है आपके eyelashes को, and you won't be needing any you know falsies. and इसका wand भी बहुत अच्छा है, upper lash line के लिए और lower lash line के लिए बहुत ही perfect है. So this is not under rupees 300. This is for rupees 400, but then I got it in a discount around 299. So that's why I'm showing you all. कि बहुत अच्छा है. अगर डिस्काउंट में मिल रहा है देन गो फॉर इट, ग्रैब इट, like grab it, literally grab it. Yeah, another mascara I have for you, this is Maybelline ka Hyper Curl mascara. This is waterproof volume express mascara. So this one is retail for rupees I guess 300 something, but then ये also आपको डिस्काउंट में मिल जाता है around 220 almost. So yeah, that was it for my eye makeup. So I have another recommendation for you all is your setting spray. Setting spray is also from Blue Heaven का फिक्सर, मेकअप फिक्सर है ये भी बहुत अच्छा सेटिंग स्प्रे है एंड इट कम्स विथ डबल लिड, सो डबल प्रोटेक्शन. सो ये भी अंडर 300 रुपीज़ है एंड बहुत अच्छा काम करता है गाइस, ट्रस्ट मी, इट रियली गिव्स यू दैट, ये बहुत अच्छे से आपके मेकअप को सेट करता है. सो या आई थिंक इफ़ यू आर वंडरिंग कि कौन सा मेकअप फिक्सर के लिए जाए, सो आई विल सजेस्ट यू गाइज गो फॉर दिस इज़ रियली बजट फ्रेंडली. 300 रुपीज़ में इतना अच्छा मेकअप फिक्सर आई डोंट थिंक सो. सो you should go for this. Now coming to our lips, I mean lips is like something जो you know everybody wants, a lipstick under 300. So yeah, starting with the Maybelline one which you have seen me wearing most of the time. So yeah, this is Maybelline Sensational Liquid lipstick. This is matte and this is really beautiful, I must tell you. And this is in the shade Easy Berry, जो light pink kind of a shade है इसका. really beautiful shade जो डेली वेयर के लिए, कॉलेज गोइंग गर्ल्स के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा शेड है ये. या एंड दिस ऑल्सो कम्स for rupees 345, but then in discount you get it for under 300 rupees, so that's why I'm recommending. Okay, so my second recommendation for you all, this is Nykaa ka matte to last lipstick. This is in the shade Bombay and this is a mini version. So जितने भी college going girls हैं, school, I don't think school going girls lipstick यूज़ करेंगे. So college going girls है जिनको ज़्यादा मनी इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना है अपने lip shades पे और something like that पे, so go for with the mini versions of it. This is for around 214 or 20 something, 245. Yeah, this is for around 245, so you can go with this mini version kind of a thing. I'll show you the shade Bombay का. So this is the mini liquid lipstick look like. छोटू सा आपके आसानी से कैरी हो जाएगा आपके बैग में, वॉलेट में, पर्स में. So and the shade is really beautiful. This is kind of a nude pink and peachy pink, थोड़ा सा brown tint. Really beautiful, really beautiful. So yeah, and guys, if you all wanna know my lipstick shades, my favorite lipstick shades which I have swatched out and I have showed you guys in the IGTV of my Instagram page, so please go and follow me there and watch that video. That would be really helpful for you all. So link of my Instagram page is in the description box. Please go and follow me there. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I have shown you all the makeup products under rupees 300. This is like a beginner's kit, so you can go for it. And one more thing, मैंने अपने पिछले वीडियो में मैंने एक चीज़ मिस आउट कर दिया था. दैट वाज अ मिसलेयर वाटर, अ माइसेलर वाटर, वॉट एवर यू कॉल इट. सो वो वाटर मैंने मिस कर दिया था, तो आई वुड लाइक टू शो यू गाइज अ न्यू वन. आई हैव अ न्यू product here. This is Kaya Youth ka micellar water. This is for your daily dose of youth. Oxyfusion micellar water cleanses skin and removes makeup. So and it is dermatologist tested as well, so you can go with this. This is for under rupees 199, so that's why I'm showing you all. And this is like really good product. I'll just show you. So this is my hand looks like right now. I'm gonna take some on my cotton pad.
So can you guys see, so easily it removes. थोड़े से जो मैट लिपस्टिक है उस पर आपको वर्क करना पड़ रहा है, but then it removes as well.
So yeah, I just forgot to mention this product on my last video, so I am showing it to you today. So I will provide you the link as well. And Garnier ka micellar water is the #1 product, but then I have this new product, so I thought to show you guys. so that's why. So yeah guys, with this we have come to the end of this video. I hope you like all these products under rupees 300, and let me know if you want to know something else under rupees 300 or 500. I will definitely do it for you all guys, and let me know how's today's makeup look. Comment down below and let me know, and if you have liked this video then please don't forget to hit that like button. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that red button there, and also hit that bell icon so you can get my latest updates as well. So मैं आपसे मिलती हूँ अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, स्टे सेफ, स्टे फिट एंड स्टे हेल्दी एंड बी काइंड एज वेल. सो मच लव, बाय.